Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Currently we are in Aguadilla, Puerto Rico, and we are going to a bakery called Eric's Bakery. Then after that we're going to check out Crash Boat in Aguadilla. I've been there many times, but I realized I never put a video up on YouTube about this amazing local favorite Crash Boat beach in Aguadilla, Puerto Rico. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and continue watching so you can see this amazing place. Here, my dad, on this trip, we've been working on his property for the past couple of days, and now we're taking some time to rest here in Aguadilla. Here, you're at Eric's Bakery, and this is the meat sandwich. It already looks amazing. I gotta try this thing. Let's see. It's perfect. Well, beignet, for those of you that don't know what it is, that's basically it's pulled pork or roasted pork. Put it in a sandwich. It's really, really good. Come to Eric's Bakery just before you go to Crash Boat.
You always have your poker face, don't you, babe? You always play it so cool.
All right, so we're finally here at the local favorite Crash Boat beach in Aguadilla, Puerto Rico. It's been about, I believe, 2.5 weeks or 3 weeks since the hurricane passed through here. Now there's the section here where you can actually throw yourself into the water, just jump into the water. It's called El Muelle. And part of it did fall, unfortunately. But it's a beautiful, beautiful beach, crystal clear water, and the waters are really calm here. That's what I love about it. It's been a while since I've been here. It's absolutely gorgeous. The water is great. Man, look at that water. Crystal. Absolutely beautiful here in Puerto Rico. Huh? Yeah. Now, what's cool about this beach is that obviously there's not many waves, and on top of that, you can do jet skis here. So Puerto Rico does have a couple spots where you can do jet skis. This is one of those places. So that's great. Obviously crystal clear. Snorkeling, you can do snorkeling down there. I plan to take it with you guys to the basically the dock, the bridge, whatever you want to call it. Everybody jumps there and goes into the water. It's really deep there, so you can definitely jump in there. So it's really nice. Let's see how the water is inside. It is pretty clear, but could be a little clearer than this, but it's beautiful. a jet ski in Puerto Rico. My pops is over there. Estamos en Aguadilla. Pa'l mundo. Yes, sir. My pops over there. Woo! Trying to pass me! How dare you! Man, that was amazing. Had an amazing time on the jet ski. That's one of the great things that you can come here. So this is a new thing that they're doing here in Crash Boat. This business just opened up. I'm not exactly sure what their name is. I'll see if I can get their name. But it was amazing. How was it, sir? Okay, got the name of them. It's West Paradise. West Paradise. There's plenty of fish here. Right? Here goes nothing.